Hello children, hope all are fine and healthy. Myself Kokila Bhatia teaching Maths 1st Standard 8th in Shet Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College welcome you all. Let's continue with practice set 12.1 of lesson number 12 equations in one variable. Solve the following equations. The first one, 17p minus 2 is equal to 49. Now here your left hand side is 17p minus 2 and your right hand side is 49. Now this minus 2 of your left hand side, when it goes to right hand side, it gets converted into addition. So therefore 17p is equal to 49 plus 2. Therefore 17p is equal to 51. Now 17p means 17 multiplied by p. Now again this multiplication 17, when it goes to right hand side, it gets converted into division. Therefore p is equal to 51 upon 17. So after cancellation you get the value of p as 3. Therefore p is equal to 3. The second one, 2m plus 7 is equal to 9. Again you will see your left hand side is 2m plus 7 and your right hand side is 9. Now from your left hand side, first you are going to remove plus 7 by bringing that plus 7 to your right hand side by converting it into minus sign. So 2m is equal to 9 minus 7. Therefore 2m is equal to 2. Again 2m, that is multiplication. This 2, when it goes to right hand side, gets converted into division. Therefore m is equal to 2 upon 2. After cancellation the value of m is 1. Therefore m is equal to 1. The third one, 3x plus 12 is equal to 2x minus 4. Now here children, your left hand side is 3x plus 12 and your right hand side is 2x minus 4. So from your right hand side you will bring 2x to your left hand side, and from your left hand side you are going to take plus 12 to your right hand side. So now when you bring 2x from your right hand side to your left hand side, it becomes 3x minus 2x, and when you take plus 12 to your right hand side, it gets converted into minus 12. So 3x minus 2x is equal to minus 4 minus 12. Now 3x minus 2x is 1x is equal to minus minus is plus. So 4 plus 12 is 16. Sign of a bigger number is minus. So x is equal to minus 16. Am I clear children? Okay. Now the fourth one, 5x minus 3 is in the bracket is equal to 3x plus 2 is in the bracket. Now your left hand side is 5x minus 3. So first you will open the brackets. It will become 5 into x is 5x minus 5 with 3 is 15. So your left hand side is 5x minus 15. Now your right hand side, again open the bracket. 3 into x is 3x, 3 2 is 6. So 5x minus 15 is equal to 3x plus 16. In the same way 3x from your right hand side, get it to left hand side. So it becomes 5x minus 3x, and with 6 minus 15 from your left hand side, when it goes to right hand side, it becomes plus 15. So 5x minus 3x is equal to 6 plus 15. So 5x minus 3x is 2x is equal to 21. Now 2x means multiplication, gets converted into division. Therefore x is equal to 21 upon 2. Now the fifth sum, 9x upon 8 plus 1 is equal to 10. Now first remove plus 1 by bringing it to your right hand side. So it becomes 9x upon 8 is equal to 10 minus 1. Therefore 9x upon 8 is equal to 9. Now this 8, when it goes to your right hand side, gets converted into multiplication. So therefore 9x is equal to 9 into 8. Therefore 9x is equal to 72. Now this 9, when it comes to your right hand side, it gets converted into division. Very good. Therefore x is equal to 72 upon 9. After cancellation you get the value of x as 8. Therefore x is equal to 8. The sixth sum. Y upon 7 plus y minus 4 upon 3 is equal to 2. Now here children, to your left hand side, first you will do cross multiplication. That is 3 is to be multiplied with y and 7 is to be multiplied with y minus 4. So you will write therefore 3 into y plus 7 y minus 4 in the bracket upon 7 into 3 is equal to 2. Now you open the bracket. So 3 into y is 3y plus 7 into y is 7y, then plus into minus is minus 7 4 is 28 upon 21 is equal to 2. Now 3y plus 7y is 10y minus 28 upon 21 is equal to 2. So now this 21 when it goes to your right hand side gets converted into multiplication. So you write therefore 10y minus 28 is equal to 2 into 21. So 2 into 21 is what? 42. Correct. Now this minus 28 when it goes to your right hand side gets converted into plus 28. So you are going to write therefore 10y is equal to 42 plus 28. So 10y is equal to 70. Now 10y, now this 10 when it goes to your right hand side gets converted into divisions. Therefore y is equal to 70 upon 10. So after cancellation you will get the value of y as 7. Therefore y is equal to 7. The seventh one. 13x minus 5 is equal to 3 upon 2. Now here children, this minus 5 will go to your right hand side by getting converted into plus 5. So 13x is equal to 3 upon 2 plus 5. Now 5 does not have a denominator. So when there is no denominator, it means it is 1. Now to your right hand side, you are first going to do the cross multiplication. So 13x is equal to 3 upon 2 is to be multiplied with 1 and 5 is to be multiplied by 2. So you are going to write therefore 13x is equal to 3 plus 5 into 2 upon 2. Therefore 13x is equal to 3 plus 5 to is 10 upon 2. So 13x is equal to 13 upon 2. Now this 2 when it comes to your left hand side it gets converted into multiplication. So 13x into 2 is equal to 13. Therefore 26x is equal to 13. Therefore now this 26 when it goes to right hand side it gets converted into division. Therefore x is equal to 13 upon 26. So after cancellation you get 1 upon 2. Therefore x is equal to 1 upon 2. The eighth one. 3y plus 8 in the bracket is equal to 10 y minus 4 in the bracket plus 8. Now here first open the brackets. So to your left hand side 3 multiplied by y 3y plus 3 8s are 24 is equal to 10 multiplied by y 10y minus 10 4s are 40 plus 8. Now therefore 3y plus 24 is equal to 10y minus 40 plus 8 minus into plus is minus. So 40 minus 8 is 32, sign of a bigger number minus. So 3y plus 24 is equal to 10y minus 32. Now bring 10y to your left hand side and take 24 to your right hand side. So 3y minus 10y is equal to minus 32 minus 24. 3y minus 10y is minus into plus is minus. So 10 minus 3 is 7. Sign of a bigger number is minus. So minus 7y is equal to minus minus is plus. So 32 plus 24 is 56. Sign of a bigger number is minus. So minus 56. Therefore minus 7y is equal to minus 56. Therefore y is equal to minus 56 upon minus 7. Minus minus gets cancelled. So after cancellation you get the value of y as 8. Therefore y is equal to 8. x minus 9 upon x minus 5 is equal to 5 upon 7. Now here children, you will do the cross multiplication. That is 7 to be multiplied with x minus 9 and 5 to be multiplied with x minus 5. Now open the bracket. 7 into x is 7x minus 7 nines are 63 is equal to 5 into x is 5x minus 5 5s are 25. Now you will bring 5x to your left hand side and you will take minus 63 to your right hand side. So therefore 7x minus 5x is equal to minus 25 plus 63. 7x minus 5x is 2x is equal to minus 25 plus 63. Minus into plus is minus. So 63 minus 25 is 38. Sign of a bigger number is plus. So you will get 2x is equal to 38. Now this 2 will go to your right hand side getting converted into division. Therefore x is equal to 38 upon 2. After cancellation you will get the value of x as 19. Therefore x is equal to 19. Y minus 4 upon 3 plus 3y is equal to 4. Now children, to your left hand side, y minus 4 has got a denominator as 3 and 3y does not have a denominator. So it is 1. So then you will do the cross multiplication. That is 1 is to be multiplied with y minus 4 and 3 is to be multiplied with 3y. Correct. So y minus 4 plus 3y into 3 upon 3 is equal to 4. So y minus 4 plus 3y into 3 is 9y upon 3 is equal to 4. Now y plus 9y is 10y minus 4 upon 3 is equal to 4. Now this 3 when it goes to right hand side, multiplication, right. So 10y minus 4 is equal to 4 into 3. 10y minus 4 is equal to 12. Now minus 4 when it goes to right hand side, plus 4. Very good. So 10y is equal to 12 plus 4. 10y is equal to 16. Now this 10 when it goes to right hand side, division. Correct. So y is equal to 16 upon 10. So after cancellation you get the value of y as 8 upon 5. Therefore y is equal to 8 upon 5. Now the last sum of question number 2 of practice set 12.1. b plus 1 in the bracket plus b plus 2 in the bracket upon 4 is equal to 21. Now first open the bracket. So it will be b plus 1 plus b plus 2 upon 4 is equal to 21. Now how many times b is there? 3 times. So 3b plus 1 plus 2 is 3 upon 4 is equal to 21. Now this 4 when it goes to right hand side, multiplication. So therefore 3b plus 3 is equal to 21 into 4. So 3b plus 3 is equal to 84. Now plus 3 when it goes to right hand side, minus 3. Very good. So 3b is equal to 84 minus 3. So 3b is equal to 81. So now 3 when it goes to right hand side, division. So b is equal to 81 upon 3. After cancellation the value of b is 27. Therefore b is equal to 27. Hope children all the sums of practice set 12.1 is clear to you all. We'll continue with practice set 12.2 in my next session. Thank you and God bless.